Vanakkam, Krishna Mckenzie. On the 17th of December, there is an intensive permaculture weekend workshop, experiential, hands-on workshop. What is it that you're going to learn if you come to this workshop? You're going to learn to re-explore, rediscover the foods that grow around you easily and how to grow them, how to interact with them. There's things like the Sundakai, which is a weed. It grows on its own. It has high medicinal value. It has a very good taste and it uses less water to use. This plant is really part of our culture. Then we have things like Sangapu, which is good for women for their uterus. It's good for memory development. It's a weed. It fixes nitrogen. We have things like the ramphal, which is growing everywhere. It's the most delicious fruit. We have plants like the Assamese giant lady's finger, which in many cases is growing back on its own, and the turmeric and the chicken spinach. There are so many plants that grow without an effort. Now, if you could learn to grow your own food without an effort, without all the slog and the idea of what farming looks like in one's mind, wouldn't that be something of value to you? This is the permaculture that we want to teach you and all that that implies. There's a link in the description below. It's krishnamckenzie.com. Sign up today. There's limited places and we really look forward to seeing you there.